Watching horror movies is not everyone's cup of tea. Turns out, filming them is not easy either. A number of terrifying incidents took place on the set of the most successful horror movies of all time, during the shooting or shortly afterwards. In several cases, these incidents involved someone dying. Here are the top 7 horror movies list. The Exorcism of Emily Rose, 2005. Dexter star Jennifer Carpenter reported that during the making of the 2005 movie The Exorcism of Emily Rose, the radio in her hotel room would mysteriously turn on and off, and each time the radio would come on, it was playing the Pearl Jam song Alive. Other cast members claimed that the radio and or television also came on for no apparent reason, and like Carpenter, they too heard the hit Pearl Jam song. The incidents bothered the cast and crew so much that they eventually had the radios removed from their hotel rooms. Scary, isn't it? The Possession, 2012. While filming this movie, the crew encountered certain strange occurrences. The scariest incident took place when the storage facility, where all the props were kept, caught fire and burned to the ground. Even the debug box relic used in the movie was completely destroyed. Later, the cast and crew refused to replace the debug box since they believed that the object was cursed. Rosemary's Baby, 1968. Events on the set of the 1968 classic Rosemary's Baby got real pretty quickly once shooting movie began. During production, legendary horror movie producer William Castle received an anonymous letter that said he would slowly rot during a long and painful illness. Not long afterwards, Castle collapsed and underwent surgery to combat a problem that would plague him for months. But that's not all. The music composer of this movie died from a hematoma of the brain. Other issues on the movie included the entire cast getting sick from food poisoning and one of the movie's producers suffering a stroke while driving home from the set. The Conjuring, 2013. The Conjuring is a movie based on the true story of the Perron family who experienced unexplained ghostly activity in their home in Rhode Island in the 1970s. Several members of the family actually visited the movie set during filming, but nothing could not convince Carolyn Perron, the mother of the family, to set foot near the set, and for good reason. A number of weird and unexplained events plagued filming of this movie. Once, while the Perron family were on set, a strong wind came up and seemed to swirl around them. Members of crew standing nearby noticed that the trees just opposite them were not moving. Worse was to come. Just a couple days later, the hotel that the actors and movie crew was staying in caught fire and everyone had to be evacuated. James Wan, the movie's director, recalls working late in his office one evening when his dog started growling at something. Getting up to investigate, one couldn't find anything that would antagonize the dog. However, the dog kept growling and seemed to focus on an unseen entity across the room. Vera Farmiga, who played the role of a paranormal investigator, refused to take the script home with her as she said it made her feel uneasy. She also couldn't read it at night because she became paralyzed by fear whenever she tried. She remembers opening her laptop once and seeing 3 slashes across the screen as if some creature had dragged its paw across it. Creepy. Twilight Zone, the movie, 1983. Vic Morrow, who is the late father of actress Jennifer Jason Leigh, was killed on the set of the 1983 movie The Twilight Zone. But what makes this tragedy especially freaky is that Morrow predicted his own death. A year before filming of Twilight Zone, the movie began, Morrow took out a $5 million life insurance policy on himself, telling friends and family members that he had a premonition something bad was going to happen to him on an upcoming movie. Sure enough, while filming a scene for The Twilight Zone, a helicopter crashed and decapitated Morrow. 2 child actors were also killed in the accident, which prompted a lengthy investigation and court case. It was later revealed that the 2 Vietnamese child actors who were killed in the tragedy had been hired illegally by the producers. It was also revealed in court that the movie's concept artist mistakenly drew a burned out helicopter in the middle of a river in his sketches, essentially foreshadowing the accident. Annabelle 2014. During filming this movie, the crew spotted eerie marks on the windows in areas which hadn't been dusted or cleaned for years. They spotted claw marks that always had 3 fingers, just like the demon in the movie. One of the actors also suffered a serious head injury in the same hallway he would shoot his death scene. Insidious 2010. Crew members complained about feeling uncomfortable, sick, heavy, and uneasy on the hospital-themed set. The buzzer used to go off in one of the rooms on the 2nd floor or 3rd floor when nobody was up there. No one has any explanation for this incident. Hey guys, that is it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider doing it right now. And also hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. Thank you for watching, guys.